Hello, we're going to go over a question that appears in both the Foundation and Higher iGCSE Paper 1 in summer 2019. I recommend pausing the video after each question is shown so you can try it yourself. Then play the video again to see the solution and where the marks are awarded. So this is question 18 on the Foundation paper, which is the same as question 4 on the Higher paper. So if you pause the video now and give answering the question a go on your own, and then come back and press play to see where the marks are available. Okay, so now you've given it a go, let's have a little look at what we need to do. So the question is asking us to complete the table of values for y is equal to x squared, take away 3x, take away 1. And we need to do this for each of the cells that's missing its value for y. So the first one is x is equal to minus 2. And what we need to do is substitute x is equal to minus 2 into the equation to find out what y is equal to. So y will be equal to negative 2 squared, take away 3 times negative 2, and then take away 1. So what we have here is a negative 2 times negative 2, so that's going to give us a positive 4. We've got take away 3 times negative 2, which is negative 6, and take away 1. Okay, so we've got 4 take away negative 6, well that becomes an add, so we've got 4 add 6 is 10, take away 1, and that will give us 9. So our first value is x is negative 2, y will be 9. So the next one we're looking for is x is equal to negative 1. So again, we substitute that in. We've got negative 1 squared, take away 3 times negative 1, take away 1. And negative 1 times negative 1 is a positive 1. Then we're taking away 3 times negative 1, which is a negative 3, and then take away 1. So again, we've got to take away a negative, which means that we're going to add. So we've got 1 add 3 is 4, take away 1, leaves us with 3. So the next one we've got is when x is equal to 1. So we've got y is equal to 1 squared, take away 3 times 1, take away 1, which means we've got 1, take away 3 times 1 is 3, take away 1. So our next value is negative 3. Finally, we've got x is equal to 3. And so to find y, we've got x squared, so 3 squared, take away 3 times 3, take away 1. 3 squared is 9, and then we've got take away 3 times 3 is also 9, take away 1. And so our final value is negative 1. We're then asked to, on the grid, to draw the graph y equals x squared, take away 3x, take away 1, for all of the values of x from negative 2 to 4. So all we do here is look at our x and y coordinates from the table. So when x is negative 2, y is 9. So we're going to go negative 2, 9, and we're going to mark it there. Then we've got x is negative 1 when y is 3. So we're going to put that there. X is 0 when y is negative 1. X is 1 when y is negative 3. x is 2 when y is negative 3. X is 3 when y is negative 1. And finally, x is 4 when y is 3. And you can see we've got that nice quadratic going on, which we're going to draw the line so it's try to be a smooth curve. There we go. So there are 4 marks available. 2 marks for getting everything right in the table in part A, and 2 marks for getting the points plotted and drawing a smooth curve in part B. Part A, if you don't get all of the numbers correct, there is 1 mark available for getting at least 2 correct. There's also a mark available in part B if you haven't plotted everything correctly, but you have plotted at least 5 of the points correctly. Okay, I hope you found that helpful.